Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ford Super Duty F350. Under the hood we have a 6.2 liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in silver. I love the color. You do have the Ford badging up front there with your lights right there and your tow hooks right there. And coming all the way around the side of the vehicle here, we do have our Adventure brand tires. They look fantastic. They do also have the 17-inch rims. Coming up to the side here, we do have our mirrors. They look great. They are the tow mirrors. And coming all the way around the back, we do have a very large box. Unfortunately, there is a helicopter flying over us. You do have your backup camera there with your Super Duty badging. You can open this guy up right here. Lots of room back here as well. It does have the box liner, so nothing will be getting wrecked. Got our keys here. 2 presses to lock all the doors, 1 press to lock, and we got the panic button right there as well. So let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got your handle here, some storage here and here, and it does look fantastic in here as well. Very spacious, and these seats are very comfortable. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, then the lumbar support there, and up here we got the controls over our lights, so our off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here, and up here we got the control over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature, oil life, and our transmission temperature. Right in the center there it does tell us our trip as well as the temperature outside. And we can switch that around from our trip to our trip A and B. We have the kilometers till empty, we have the average liters, we have our kilometers there. We also have our timer. You can turn the menu off and how many kilometers we have on the vehicle. That is control from right here with all the different options. Horn in the center and cruise control options right here with the Bluetooth as well. Then you got your gear shift right up here. You can do this, shift into reverse, and you do have that ever useful backup camera right there, hiding out in your rear view mirror. Then down here we do have the power. So we do have our eject for the CD. You have your tuner there. You also have your volume up and down with the CD, AM and FM, and Sirius XM. You have your aux cord and phone options there. Menu, seek, presets down here, and then you have your climate control. So you do have the defrosts there, the power, the mode. You also have your AC, circulation, and your max AC. And then you do have your power and your temperature control there. You have your trailer brake right there. You got a place for some coins, and you do have your cup holders. And then in the center, you got your other cup holders, plus you got your armrest. There's some storage in there. Fold this guy up, you got another seat underneath, so you do have 6 seats altogether. And you do have another little storage guy right underneath there as well if you did need it. And then we do also have our glove box over here with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top, you got a sunglass holder. Let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you got your handle, control of your windows, and some storage. Looks fantastic back here as well, very spacious. It seats 3 people. You can fold this guy down, and you do have some cup holders right there and an armrest. As well, you can fold this guy up right here just by pulling that and folding it up just like that. Then you got some storage just underneath there as well. There's our 6.2 liter V8 engine. Well, that's it for my walk around video, the 2016 Ford F350. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.